A Kid's Guide to Fitness, the Busybody Book. Written by Lizzie Rockwell. Busybodies bounce up and down. They stretch from side to side and run all around. They catch and throw, they push and pull. They pedal, they paddle, they roller skate too. When you get busy, what do? Your body is meant to be busy. It's meant to move fast, lift heavy things, and walk or run for miles. Just look at it. You have hands for clapping, feet for stamping, legs for leaping, and arms for swinging. You can jump, sprint, twist, and twirl. You can do all that because your body is built to move. Underneath your skin is a strong, hard skeleton made of bones. Bones keep your body standing tall. Joints connect bones so you can bend. You are made up of 206 bones. The skull protects your brain. Teeth are the only part of your skeleton that you can see. The spine is made up of many small bones connected by joints so your back can bend and twist. The ball and socket joint in your shoulder lets your arm move in a circle. You have hinge joints in your elbows. Your ribs protect your heart and lungs. You have a ball and socket joint in your hips. Your thigh bone is the longest bone in your body. You have another hinge joint in the knee, so it can bend back and forth. Half of the bones in your body are your feet and hands. Muscles are attached to bones by tendons. Muscles let you move and lift and stretch. When you use your muscles again and again, they don't get worn out. Instead, they get stronger. Tendons attach muscle to bone. You have more than 20 tendons in each wrist. Facial muscles let you smile, blink, chew, and talk. You have ligaments, and your triceps help you push open a door. Your biceps help you lift heavy things. Back and stomach muscles let you stand up straight. Your gluteus maximus is the large muscle on your bottom. Quadriceps lift your leg and bend your knee when you walk. The Achilles tendon attaches your calf muscle to your heel bone. And ligaments wrap around muscles and tendons to hold them in place. You have more than 630 muscles. Inside your skull sits your incredible brain. Your brain controls every move you make and thinks your thoughts. It gets information about the world from your 5 senses. Then it tells your muscles what to do and how to move. Messages travel back and forth at lightning speed along wire-thin fibers called nerves. Your brain is made up of the cerebrum, cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of your brain. It controls most of your thoughts and movements. The cerebellum controls balance and coordination. The brainstem controls your heartbeat and breathing. The spinal cord is protected inside your spine. It connects all the other nerves to the brain. Nerves send millions of messages to your brain every minute. And your 5 senses are sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Your body is an amazing living machine, and it only needs a few things to make it go, like air to breathe, food to eat, and water to drink. These things come into your body through your mouth or nose, but then where do they go and what do they do? When you breathe, your lungs collect oxygen from the air. Your muscles need oxygen so they can move. Your brain needs oxygen so it can think. When you breathe in, you get in fresh air. When you breathe out, you get rid of stale air. Here's a picture of your lungs. Air enters your lungs through your mouth and nostrils. You inhale air, you exhale waste. You have your tongue in your mouth. Then there's the esophagus that leads food to your stomach. Then there's the epiglottis, which closes when you swallow so food doesn't get into your lungs. And then your windpipe leads air from your mouth to your lungs and out again. Bronchi branch off from the windpipe, and the diaphragm is a sheet of muscle that opens and closes the lungs as you breathe in and out. The heart moves oxygen from your lungs to the other parts of your body. Your heart pumps blood through long, thin tubes called vessels. The blood picks up oxygen in the lungs and carries it to your muscles and to your brain. When your body gets busy, it uses more oxygen. Your heart beats faster and your lungs breathe deeper. The heart and blood vessels. Blood vessels carry blood in two different directions, away from and back to the heart and lungs. The heart is the strongest muscle in your body. It beats more than 10,000 times a day. Vessels in lungs pick up oxygen that has been inhaled and drop off waste to be exhaled. Arteries, the red lines, carry oxygen-rich blood from the lungs out to the body. Veins, the blue ones, carry oxygen-poor blood back to the lungs to be refreshed. Waste from blood is exhaled by the lungs. And your capillaries are tiny blood vessels that allow blood to reach every part of you. As blood travels through your body, it also picks up food and water from your intestines. Then it delivers them where they are needed. Food gives your body energy. Your muscles use energy to move, your heart uses energy to pump, and your brain uses energy to think. Food also supplies the materials that build bone and muscle. Your mouth grinds food and mixes it with saliva, which then goes to your esophagus and pushes the food down to your stomach. Your stomach churns food and mixes it with acid. Food becomes a thick liquid. Your small intestines absorb tiny food particles through its spongy lining. Food enters the bloodstream. And your large intestines absorb water and leads unused food parts out of your body when you use the bathroom. All living things need water to survive. There is water in your muscles and around your brain. It is a main ingredient in your saliva, sweat, urine, and blood. Because your blood is mostly water, it can easily flow in and out of your heart and through your vessels. The path it travels is called the bloodstream. When your body works hard, it gets hot and sweaty. Sweat is water that seeps through your skin to cool you off. The busier your body is, the more water it needs. A busy body works hard. After a while, it needs to rest. Rest lets your body heal and grow and get ready for another day. A body that gets busy each day stays strong, healthy, and happy. There are lots of ways to be a busybody. Which is your favorite?